Did you know a 12-year-old boy became a millionaire by ignoring his parents? Eric Finman was just a regular middle school kid when his grandmother gave him $1,000 for his birthday. While most kids would buy video games or toys, Eric had a crazy idea. He secretly bought Bitcoin when it was only $12 per coin. His parents thought he was making a huge mistake, but Eric was so confident he made a bet with them. If he became a millionaire by age 18, he would never have to go to college. At 15, Eric dropped out of school completely. He sold some of his Bitcoin when it hit $1,200 and started his own online education company. Then he bought even more Bitcoin with the profits. By the time Eric turned 18 in 2017, Bitcoin had exploded to $20,000 per coin. His original $1,000 investment was now worth over $4 million. Eric had won his bet and became the youngest Bitcoin millionaire in history. His grandmother's gift had grown 30,000%.